Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake yogurt using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients, which include pre-made cake and plain yogurt. We'll then discuss how to combine these two main components effectively. This simple approach ensures a delicious result without extensive baking or complex steps. Get ready to create a delightful dessert that's perfect for any occasion, offering a unique twist on traditional treats. To begin, select your cake. A plain vanilla or pound cake works wonderfully, but feel free to use any flavor you prefer. Next, choose a good quality plain yogurt. Greek yogurt offers a thicker consistency, which is often preferred. You might also want to have a sweetener like honey or maple syrup on hand, perhaps 1 to 2 teaspoons, along with a dash of vanilla extract for an extra layer of flavor. Now take your pre-baked cake and crumble it into small, bite-sized pieces. Aim for pieces that are roughly 1/4 to 1/2 inch in size. In a bowl, combine the plain yogurt with the crumbled cake. Add your desired amount of sweetener, perhaps 1 tablespoon of honey, and a few drops of vanilla extract. Gently fold everything together until the cake is evenly distributed throughout the yogurt, but be careful not to overmix. Once mixed, cover your cake yogurt and place it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time is crucial as it allows the flavors to fully develop and the yogurt to firm up slightly. When ready to serve, spoon the cake yogurt into small dessert bowls or glasses. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with fresh berries, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or a tiny dollop of whipped cream. Enjoy your easy, homemade cake yogurt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.